Coach Kim here. Now, some of you might be saying, you know what, my warranty is starting to run out. What do I mean by that? Sometimes we get those aches and pains in our knees, our back, our neck. That's okay. Just because your warranty might be running out a little bit, Coach Kim is going to help with that warranty, and we're going to make it extended because I am going to give you some great floor knee-friendly exercises. So all you need to get is a yoga mat or a beach towel. Grab either a paper towel like this. If you have a ball that we're going to be putting between the knees, or a beach towel or a pillow. It all works. So get your stuff, and remember to always check with the doctor before starting an exercise program. All right, Coach Kim is here, and I am happy to give you some of these floor exercises. They're knee-friendly exercises. Now, some of you might be looking at me in this position, and I am grateful. My knees are great and healthy. My husband's knees are not. He's had several surgeries and partial replacements and all kinds of stuff going on. And the reason I'm bringing him up is some of you might be in that same boat, okay? Or you just want to make all these so you don't have that problem, some knee issues when you're older, or any age for that matter. So I'm going to show you 3 exercises. They're all going to be on the floor. What I'd like you to do is just follow me in these exercises. We're going to time you so you don't have to think or count. Just be consistent. Try to shoot for 3 times a week on these exercises. That'd be really great. So I'd like you to bend the knees, let your head relax, okay? Head's relaxed. Extend one leg out straight. Flex that foot towards you. So bring that big toe towards you. Here's the exercise. I just want to demo first and then we'll go through them. You're going to lift that leg up to the height of the other leg, and then I'm going to lower it down nice and slow a couple inches off the ground. We're going to do each leg for 30 seconds. Now the next one, you're going to take, whether it's your pillow, your beach towel, your ball, or paper towels, put it between the knees, squeeze the inner thigh, push with the heels of the feet, and lift up the booty into a glute bridge. Hold and squeeze for 1 to 2 seconds and come down slow. This glute bridge is amazing for the posterior chain, the hamstrings, the glutes, the lower back, all these muscles that you need to work around the knee as well, and also all the other benefits that you're getting. So the last exercise, you're going to get on your side, stack your feet, flex that top foot, make sure that body's in a perfect line. I'm going to lift that leg up, flex the foot towards me, and then I'm going to come down nice and slow right before I touch that other leg, okay? Now some of you are my vintage and you remember Jane Fonda. I call these the Jane Fonda specials. They're really great. We're gonna bring it back. All right, and she looks really fabulous for her age right now, doesn't she? All right, so on your back, let's put one leg straight out, flex the foot towards you, hands by your side, ready in 3, 2, 1, let's make it happen. Yes, some of you are going, well, who's Jane Fonda? Well, just Google, you'll learn about her way up. And she was big into fitness. A lot of people knew Richard Simmons and Jane Fonda back in the 80s, all the way up. And some of you are smiling as I'm talking about them right now. All the way up and come back down. Good. Woo! Exercise is like one of these lifetime things. You just want to create the habit. You know, it's all a habit what we do. Keep going. We want to create good habits if you can, and that includes thought patterns. Switch up. So that includes exercise patterns, eating patterns, thought patterns. Other foot, flex the leg or foot, lift up, and come down slow. Now remember, I'm bringing it up to the height of the other leg. Lift, and then all the way back down. Yeah, life's about choices. We make choices all the time. Let's see, am I gonna eat a donut this morning, or am I gonna have a banana? Well, hopefully most of the time you have that banana and just that donut once in a while. You know, Jack LaLanne, the godfather of fitness, said the best thing about a donut is the hole in the middle. Lift up. You hang with me, I'll make you laugh. And rest. Good. So let's take that item that you're going to use between the knees, okay? I don't care if it's a pillow, a ball, a beach towel. Let's put that between the knees and squeeze it. You're working the adductors, which are the inner thighs. Make sure those feet are about hip width apart. Push with the heel, palms facing down. Ready, let's go. Lift up, keep the squeeze on, and come back down. So love, love, love this one. I'm timing you. You're working those inner thighs. You're working the booty. Back porch right here. That's what Jack LaLanne used to call it. You're working the lower back, the hamstrings, all kinds of good stuff going on, and it will help more than just your knees. You've got 10 more seconds. Good, great exercise here. Good extension all the way up. Squeeze your butt cheeks with equal attention, and then you got one more for fun. Ready? Lift up, 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 hold it. 3, 2, 1, lower slow. Good. So I'd like you to get on your side, please. Flex your feet. If you want to put a pillow underneath, I'm holding my head up so I can watch you here. Flex the foot, body's in a perfect line. Get ready to lift the top leg only. Ready, set, and go. Lift and lower. Beautiful. Lift. There's something to this exercise thing. I'm telling you, movement is medicine, motion is lotion. And exercise is one of the best antidepressants. Did you know that? It makes you feel good instantly. It has endorphins, the serotonin, the noradrenaline. Yes, it becomes addictive, kind of like added sugar. You know, we want less added sugar and more exercise. Okay, let's keep going. Up, down slow. This is an outer leg lift. You're gonna feel it right in all these muscles around the knee, and switch sides, okay? I'm gonna break dance to the other side. Some of you going, what's break dancing? Oh, again, I'm speaking my age there. Just Google it, you'll figure it out. I don't think Google it was a word in the 80s. Okay, flex, you're gonna have that top foot, ready, and go. Lift, flex the foot, and lower. Beautiful. Again, try for these exercises 3 times a week with me. You can mix them up because I have other knee-friendly videos, such as the chair ones. I have obviously these floor ones and some standing ones, so it's good to mix things up, okay? All the way up. Woo! And if you think wellness is expensive, you should try illness, okay? So keep moving all the way up, come back down. You've got this. I don't want any stinking thinking. Say, I can do this. One more, up, down slow. Perfect. So we've completed 1 round. If you're a beginner, that's probably enough for now. Intermediate folks, let's get ready for a 2nd round. So you're gonna lay on your back. We're gonna start with the first exercise, a nice little leg raise. Bend one knee, keeps your back flat. Flex that foot. Now, if you want to work it a little more inner thigh, look at my foot. See, I'm turning it out to the side, and I'm going to lift it up that way. So if you want to work a little more inner thigh, do it this way. Otherwise, do it like we did on the original one, where it's more quad. Okay, ready? 2nd round, and go. Lift and lower. Now, I know a lot of ladies that are listening probably want to work those inner thighs a little more, and that's fine. I totally get it. All the way up and back down. And there's no such thing as spot reduction. Remember what spot reduction is? Somebody thinks, oh, if I just do this all day long, my inner thighs are going to go away, okay? There's so much more that goes to exercise than just one particular exercise. You need to do a whole well-rounded program targeting each major muscle group at least twice a week. And diet, all I mean by diet, switch up, go the other leg, turn the inside of the foot up, is what we eat. Eat like you live on an island. Does your food grow in the ground? Does it grow in a tree? Does it swim around or swim in the sea? Okay, so just try to eat whole, real foods and watch those portions. Yes, down and up. And of course our genetics, that plays a little role too of our body type and what exercise can do for our body and nutrition. But nutrition's a big one, okay? You stay with me, we're gonna be learning more about nutrition as we exercise. Lift, lower. And I know some of you are listening to me. Some of you are tuning me out. My family members too. My family members do that. One more, and bring it back down. Good, let's grab that item that you're gonna put between the knees. Squeeze it nice and tight. Push with the heels of the feet, hands by your side. Ready, lift up, squeeze that tushy, and come back down. Good, yes, I follow the 80-20 rule, by the way, with this nutrition thing. I eat healthy 80% of the time every day. What's healthy? I eat whole real food. I shop the outer perimeter of the stores. Okay, can you get a donut on an island? No. Can you get an apple? Yes. So try to eat like you would on an island. And that other 20%, guess what? Yeah, I'm nibbling on my husband's my French fries or his French fries. Calories don't count on someone else's plate. Just remember that one. Okay, all the way up and hold it up. That's 3, 2, 1. Lower it down nice and slow. You're doing a great job, by the way. Okay, so on your side. Flex your foot. Okay, get ready. Top leg only. Come on, only a couple more. Ready? And go. Lift and lower. Now, if you feel this is too easy, ways to spice it up, make the time frame go a little bit longer. You can add an ankle weight, and I wouldn't do more than 2.5 pounds on that ankle. Okay, you can use a mini band and wrap it around the top of the legs there. Okay, so there's different ways that you can make this harder. Wear some ski boots. See how that works out for you. Lift and lower. You've got 10 seconds. You know I'm kidding on that one. All the way up, down slow, all the way up, down slow. You've got one more. Yes, beautiful. Oh, I love it because you're gonna keep doing this. And you know what? You're gonna feel better and better every day in every way. All right, flex that top foot. Get ready. Last one, 2nd round. Here we go. Lift and lower. Now, those of you that are advanced, I'd like you to go through and do another 3rd round on your own. So again, beginners, 1 round's probably plenty for a few weeks. You know, maybe try it for a couple weeks. Then intermediate, 2 rounds, advanced 3 rounds. And you'll know when you're ready, okay? Remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. So you need to be challenged. All the way up. Your muscles do. And speaking of the muscles, over 600 muscles in your body. We need to work them all the way up. And just do what you can do. One more, up, and drop. Excellent. I know you're feeling fabulous. So thank you again for listening, and remember, be consistent, no stinking thinking, say I can do it. Henry Ford has a great quote, whether you think you can or can't, you're right.